Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we'll learn how to delete or restore a user. If a user no longer requires access, whether temporarily or permanently, you can remove their account from active access without losing important historical data. To begin, navigate to Settings and open the User module. Next, select System User to view the list of all users. Locate the desired user, click on the Action button beside their name, and choose the Delete option. This will immediately remove the user from the active list and prevent them from logging in. However, their historical records and activity logs will remain preserved in the system for auditing purposes. If the user needs access again in the future, go to the Archive section. From there, find the user, click on the Action button, and select Restore. The user will then regain access according to their previously assigned roles and permissions. This feature allows you to manage user access efficiently without permanently deleting critical data or system records. Thank you.